Hey everybody, welcome back. Glad you could join me again. I forgot to record me painting these pieces because it has just been so frantic around here. But I've got some confetti stars that I found. I just painted the white in the middle of this one first and then took the red and the blue and kind of faded it in with a dry brush. White, painted it white, stripes down it, painted the top blue. This one I just took the brush with some red and blues, brushed it on there, and then splattered, I guess you call them stars, on there. And here I'm just taking some Aleene's glue to apply the confetti stars. I didn't realize I had small ones in there. Or not the small ones, the medium-sized ones. I didn't realize I had medium-sized ones until a little bit later. But I just dabbed a little bit of glue on there and stuck it on. And I didn't get to record the voice. I didn't get to record my voice during this because, the baby was just screaming and playing and everything. So that's why I'm recording it now. Next, I took this rhinestone chain that I got from Wish, and I was going to apply it with the Aleene's glue, and the glue was just bothering me, so I took and put a little water in it so that I could brush it, and that didn't work. So then I just took and squeezed it out of the bottle, and you'll see here in a minute that I switched to the glue gun because it just was not drying fast enough for me. I like things to get done quick and move on. This just wasn't working for me, so I tried, working with it. I'm sure if I didn't water it down, it probably would have dried faster, but it doesn't dry smooth and clear like I would want for this look, so that's why I tried watering it down to see if that would work. But it just, like I said, it wasn't drying fast enough, so after holding it and just my patience wearing thin, I decided to wipe it all off, take it off, and just use the glue gun. And here I am taking my heat gun to heat the glue back up from the hot glue gun so that I can mush it down and make it lay flat. Here I have a bunch of charms and stuff that I picked up in a Hobby Lobby haul video here a while back. You can go back and look for it. I got all of these super cheap. They were all on sale, and so they've been sitting around up until now. I took some twine and pulled it apart, and this is the thinned out version of thistle twine, whatever you want to call it. Sisal, I think it is. I don't know. Sisal rope, I believe. But anyways, this is pulled apart, from the main, rope piece. I just took and pulled them apart. Anyways, it was not holding up as well as I wanted it to, so I had to end up going back, tearing all of it off, and redoing it because it just was too thin. And so I was afraid it would tear and not hold up the way I wanted. So eventually I got it taken off and put back on, and I'm doing this one-handed here because I'm holding the baby. You can see her make an appearance there shortly, but this was going to be my firecracker one, and so I just took a piece of the rope, hot glued it on top, and it was just kind of plain and boring for me. So I got some of the glitter that I had and just put some of the Aleene's glue on top. Kind of made it, just random. I didn't want it perfectly round. Sprinkled the glitter on top, and then that was my finished piece. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a little late posting, but like I said, I've been super busy, so I'll try and do better. Real quick, I wanted to show you guys another project that I had for July. This is just a piece of pallet wood that was cut up, and it's a 12 by 13. I just took and glued some fabric to it and glued the flowers on there, and this is another piece that I had for July. So once again, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next time.